A oes gennych chi angerdd dros chwarae a chefnogi plant a'u hawliau? Ydych chi am wneud gwahaniaeth i blant a'u teuluoedd yn eich cymuned? Gan weithio mewn clybiau brecwast, clybiau ôl-ysgol a chlybiau gwyliau, mae Gweithwyr Chwarae'n darparu amgylchedd diogel a chroesawgar i blant, gyda digonedd o gyfleoedd i chwarae a chwilota a thanio dychymyg. Gyda help Clwb Plant Cymru Kids Clubs, gallwch ennill y cymhwyster sydd ei angen arnoch tra byddwch yn gweithio mewn Clwb Allysgol. A bydd hyn yn helpu chi ddeall holl fanteision chwarae a'r Egwyddorion Gwaith Chwarae.
I absolutely love working in the playwork sector for so many reasons. The list is endless. But the most important thing is my job is fun. Every day is fun. Every day we're making memories.
I love being a play worker because I get paid to play. I can just be a big kid and enjoy myself. It beats being in an office job.
It's a privilege to work alongside the children.
I got into childcare 13 years ago because I had 2 young children. I went into early years and I started helping out in an after-school club and a play scheme, and I really fell in love with it because of how we covered the age range. And then I ended up doing all my qualifications, and I had an opportunity to support somebody doing training in playwork, and I fell in love with seeing how the spark of people and how much they developed in play. So I decided to get into assessing and become a training officer.
I started primary school teaching 8 years ago, a career which I loved, but recently I've decided to make a change, and I currently work as a play worker in a setting that I love. I've been there since October 2018. A few of the things that appealed to me were that I thought I could still use my teaching skills because some of the roles are quite similar. So you're still in charge and looking after a large group of children, putting their welfare, their safeguarding at the forefront of everything you do. However, I feel with play work you have more of a chance to build a stronger relationship with the children. You get to enjoy the role and have more fun with it, really.
Like the look on their faces when they've achieved something and they've done it themselves, that, there's so much they get out of playing. I think diversity in the playwork workforce is incredibly important because Wales is a multicultural society, and I just think it's important for children from ethnic minority backgrounds to be able to see somebody that looks like them.
Quite like about playwork in that it's learning through play. The children, you give them the options, they can kind of choose to do what they want. It's not forced, you're not teaching them as such, you're just overseeing it, facilitating it.
Gweithwyr Chwarae yw curiad calon y sector Gofal Plant. Fel gweithiwr proffesiynol y maes gwaith chwarae, byddwch yn darparu Gofal Plant o ansawdd yn cyfoethogi plant drwy chwarae, gan hefyd rhoi cefnogaeth hollbwysig i'r economi ehangach. I wybod mwy am ddechrau gyrfa mewn gwaith chwarae, ewch i www.clybiauplantcymru.org.
Make a difference, become a play worker. Wnewch gwahaniaeth, byddwch yn weithio chwarae.